Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make mixed vegetable sabji. First, select about 5 to 7 different fresh vegetables, like carrots, potatoes, and green beans, ensuring a good variety of colors and textures. Thoroughly wash and chop them into roughly 1-inch pieces for even cooking. Also, finely mince 1 inch of ginger, 2 cloves of garlic, and 1 medium onion to build the flavor base. Next, heat 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a large pan over medium heat. Add the finely chopped onions and sauté them gently until they become translucent and slightly golden, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Then, incorporate the minced ginger, garlic, and 1 or 2 slit green chilies, cooking for another minute until fragrant. Stir in 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 2 teaspoons of coriander, and 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. Now, add the harder vegetables, such as carrots and potatoes, to the pan and cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally. Then, introduce softer vegetables like peas and green beans. Stir in 1 medium chopped tomato, 1½ teaspoons of salt, and about 1/2 cup of water. Cover the pan and let it simmer on low heat for 15 to 20 minutes, or until all the vegetables are perfectly tender. For the final flourish, stir in about 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala, which adds a wonderful aromatic depth to your sabji. Garnish generously with 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped cilantro leaves, enhancing both the flavor and visual appeal. Serve this delicious and nutritious mixed vegetable sabji hot with your favorite Indian bread, like roti or naan, or alongside steamed rice. Enjoy your homemade culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.